The Netherlands national soccer team will make its temporary home in Riverside near the new location of the Culinary Center of Kansas City in Briarcliff. That's to generate some excitement for the event. The chefs at the center have designed World Cup fever cooking classes. On the menu this morning, Dutch Apple Pancakes. FOX4's Carey Wickersham joins us from the Culinary Center's new kitchen.
Well, you know, the Netherlands soccer team, they are coming to Riverside, which is just a stone's throw from Briarcliff, where they are teaching the class World Cup Fever, the Dutch edition, at the Culinary Center here. This is Chef Sergio, and you have learned a little bit about the Dutch culture.
I have. So today we're actually putting together a Dutch pancake for you,
Okay.
which is a thin pancakes, no more thicker than crepes.
Like a crepe.
Okay.
Kind of like a crepe.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's
How do you do
get
this?
started.
Okay.
We don't have a lot of time, so we got here. I already got some eggs in here.
Okay.
So we got 4 eggs.
Right. Ooh, you can crack them with one
There's
hand.
one there.
Good job.
And we're basically going to put all our ingredients in here. So we got flour, some whole milk,
okay.
tiny bit of sugar, also with salt, tablespoon of each, and a little bit of melted butter, okay? So now we're gonna blend this together and we're gonna make our batter. So it doesn't take very many ingredients to make this. Let it run. It doesn't take very long, maybe 15 seconds. Okay, it's ready, just like that.
So I wonder if the Dutch invented the pancakes, or I always thought it was the French with the crepe.
You know the French are gonna say they invented it.
I know, and we just had flapjacks.
Oh.
USA.
Okay, so the batter's supposed to be a little bit loose, okay? That's part of the deal. So we got our skillet already preheated here. We're gonna add some butter to the skillet.
Yeah.
And we want this actually to brown up a little bit, which is not taking very long because we have our skillet already heated up. And we're gonna do about 2 ounces worth of our batter.
Okay.
And we're gonna let this cook.
Okay, and what's
So-
the ingredients? Apples, right?
So we got some Granny Smith apples. I cut them earlier. They're a little bit brown out, but they'll be fine.
Okay.
We're gonna put some on top. They're thinly sliced. So we wanna put them on top so they stick to the batter.
Okay.
So while it's getting the crust underneath, this is gonna cook the apples on there. And we're gonna peek underneath, see how they're looking. They're looking good. They're ready to be flipped.
Okay.
They're actually brown. So actually I'm gonna do this.
Got this? Oh, you are.
Oh, never mind.
You go, Sergio. Now this in my kitchen would be a little dangerous.
Let me try again.
All right, go.
There you go.
Woo! That takes skill right there. You should have a cooking class just on that.
We should.
All right, we got about 30 seconds.
Okay,
How do you finish this off?
Well, we're gonna put it on a plate, if I have one.
Hold on, cut. Where's the plates? Here? Can we do it on this plate?
That's what they're for.
Okay, hold on. Okay, now stop, and we'll say, now we're gonna put
No, that gives us time for it to brown.
Okay,
Okay, ready?
now we're gonna put it on a plate.
Yeah, we're gonna put it on a plate. So we're actually gonna flip it back over and we're gonna fold it. And if you can, it looks a lot more presentation wise if you roll it and you set it on a plate. So you get about 3 or 4 of these and you put some powdered sugar on top and they're done.
Absolutely beautiful. You can sign up for the Dutch edition of World Cup Fever on the Culinary Center's website, kcculinarycenter.com. The recipe is on our website at fox4kc.com. Come on, World Cup. Bon appetit. Back to you guys.